Hi. So here I want to explain to you how you should review your question bank. So all of these modules I have solved them, and so I will show you how you should review a question bank topic. So this is my performance 47. Yeah, this is my weakest topic, one of the weakest topics. So I will start. So in review, get the options as uh, you get the options as number wise, or there are other different options. So in review, select this icon and then you should start from your wrong questions first. Any question bank, try to solve if you are trying to review it again entirely afresh, you should start from your weakest or wrong questions always. So this is my question. Here I have an option of double tapping or show answers. I can switch it off. So this question I will try not to see the answer and try to give an answer again, even after I have solved that MCQ back. So here insulin stimulated, so insulin you want to check, so always read this except, this word is very important. So this except, so insulin independent pathway they are asking. So here I will try not to read the answer and try again to apply what answer do I think of this question. So logically if I see here, then see, एक तो adipose tissue तो है ही, insulin is dependent, insulin, it is an insulin dependent uptake of fat and glucose. So adipose tissue तो है. फिर then even skeleton muscle is there, and this muscle is a, you know that this muscle is a part of the heart, तो heart भी होना चाहिए. So the answer will be liver. So there you see insulin stimulated growth takes place in heart, skeletal muscle, because muscle makes the heart, and adipose tissue through GLUT4, and answer is liver itself. So now I will tap to show my answer. Show answer, yes, it is the liver. तो ऐसा during reviewing I can apply a different logic and try to solve it in a better manner, all your wrong answers. So this is done. Likewise, even this, it shows an answer, you can hide the answer by double tapping or removing this. ठीक है. So now ये question I had got wrong. So yes, and you see that here a very important thing, there is a hashtag of recent NEET, which makes it a very 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 important question. Even if I had got this answer right, I should have bookmarked it because it has been asked in recent NEET. So I will bookmark this question here. So this has been bookmarked. तो ऐसे करके these many questions I have got wrong. So many, oh my god, these are many questions which are wrong. So even this is a recent NEET, so it is bookmarked. This is eponym, so ये वाला थोड़ा कम important है. So I can try to remember the answer, and if there is any logic or concept, I will try to read it in the explanation. I have got this answer wrong, so I will try to read it in the explanation itself, and if I read the explanation, Kahil. So this answer, now to I know the answer, because yeah, this module I have solved it many time back, and now I know the answer. So I know that I need not bookmark this question, even though I have got it wrong. तो ऐसे करके even if you have got many questions wrong, you need not book all your wrong questions. Main is if they only to bookmark those questions which has a recent NEET or other hashtag like hashtag clinical or hashtag AIMS. Only these hashtags, if you have got them wrong, should you bookmark them. So even I have bookmarked this also because it has been asked in recent NEET. Even this, see, now this question, you see, this question I've got wrong. So abhi, if you get so many questions wrong, you cannot bookmark all the questions, right? So ye wala question, I read the question and I'm taking part in So now I read the answer and I think I will remember this answer for the next time. And here you see that there is no hashtag. There is no hashtag. So it seems a less important. So you need not bookmark this question. So I won't bookmark this question even though I've got it wrong. I will just read the answer, the explanation, and that's it. Same for this question. I need not bookmark this question. This is a recent NEET, so I should ideally bookmark this question. This I could solve it right during my reviewing time, so I won't bookmark this question. And in your bookmarks, you will see in your questions you will see that they even give you a pearl related to that question. So this pearl of GLUT transporters, it is very, very important. So I bookmark the pearl and not the MCQ, because nato you will have to bookmark it in both the parts, even your pearl and your MCQ. So it is better to just bookmark your pearl, because now when you have read the MCQ, you know what type of question has been asked from this pearl. So might as well you only bookmark a pearl rather than an MCQ which has so much data attached to it, right? So just bookmark your pearl here. So this is how I reviewed my question. So all in all, this is, if I have solved my question bank, these are the topics which I have solved. And while reviewing, I see my wrong ones first, and then I went about on how I could solve it in a correct manner this time, by hiding all the answers. And if I got it right this time, I wouldn't bookmark them. And now if I got them wrong, I would see if it has been asked in recent NEET, or if there is any other hashtag attached to it. If there is no hashtag, you need not bookmark it, because if you will bookmark all your wrong questions, your Marrow app will be full of bookmarks, entirely full of bookmarks, right? So this is done. How to review your question bank topic wise. So this is how I go about in every topic. So likewise for other subjects also, when you open that subject, I would suggest you to solve only those modules and only those topics which are important or have been asked in previous year papers, because there are many question bank and you do not have that much time to solve all of the MCQs in all of your topic question bank. So you can here sort them by topics, and click on the topics which are important, only the topics which are important, and start solving them. Yeah, so that is it on how you should solve your question bank, and which topics to solve, and how you should review your wrong questions, and how you should review your entire question bank itself. Thank you.